Welcome everyone. You may own the Google Pixel 7 and there are some screen issues. Whether the screen is frozen and not responding to touch, so you can see I'm swiping, it's working. You swipe and it isn't working. Maybe you have a black screen issue, or you just have an issue with the screen in general. There is a very simple fix. So the issue at hand is a software flaw, which is good, not a hardware flaw, and you can fix it by initiating a force restart. So I'm going to show you the key combination, then let's do this together. So you're going to click and hold both the power key and the volume up key. You're going to keep these two held down until you see the Google logo. So let's do this together in 3, 2, 1. Click on hold power volume up, keep these two held down. If your screen is frozen, you won't see that power off menu, okay? If your screen is black, of course you won't see that menu either. Just keep these two buttons held down. Even through the black screen, keep on holding. If you accidentally release either of the two buttons before we see the Google logo, then you will need to repeat the key combination. And any second now, we should see the Google. When you see the Google logo, you can release your fingers from the touchscreen, and now your Google Pixel 7 is going to reboot. So if you had any issues, that should be solved right now. So I'm going to do a little confirmation. Okay, touch is fully working, everything's fully working, no issues there. So with that being said, thanks for watching. If you want to help support the channel, use Amazon, or you want to buy Google Pixel 7 accessories, if you use my Amazon affiliate link in the description, I'll get a commission Amazon usually takes. Bye bye.